Shifito Naomi is back. Look at this. I'm facing some challenges, visa challenges. What did you say?
This sweet mom. And the hype you now.
You should not do that. I don't need it in my life.
Sorry, man.
Hello, you guys. Today is Saturday and it is the football tournament that I've spoken about, I think, earlier in this vlog. I'm very excited. I woke up with something in my eye. It's not very visible, but I don't know what it is. The first time it's happening ever in my life. Like, I feel like there might be something wrong here, but I'm trying not to touch it too much. And yeah, I'm about to eat. I've put some juice. I think this is cranberry juice in my in one of the stuff I bought yesterday at the market. I love it so much. Like, it's giving aesthetic. 2 hours to the match. And the thing is that I ate this morning, but I'm pretty sure like in 2 hours I'm going to be very, very hungry. Let me dish myself something quickly. So I'm going to eat fried rice. That it's so funny because yesterday I wanted to cook, but the thing is that there's no gas cylinder here. And I didn't know, if I'm being honest. And I know that it's supposed to be me that is supposed to handle these things, but hey. So I've asked the property manager to have someone do it, but the thing is that this person is not answering, and the thing is that I really need to start cooking. Like, I cannot be ordering every day like this, like it's not sustainable. So if, let's say, in 30 minutes it doesn't answer, I'll be finding someone else because it's Saturday. I know a lot of people are not very available already. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do is just to catch up on Love Island. And then oh, Love Island is actually ending tomorrow, so I think I might have like two episodes to catch up on. So yeah, I'll see you later. Hi guys, it is Sunday evening and I just wanted to come here and to speak to you quickly. I've been having a very chill day because yesterday and I forgot to take my camera. I went to this football tournament. It was very nice and I hope I'll be able to show or insert some clips. And I was extremely tired, like 30, like pushing 30 is no joke. I'm very tired and it's about to be the time of the month, so I'm more tired about that. But I just wanted to come here and show you the plate I made for myself, and I'm like, Shifito Naomi is back, okay? Like, look at this. Huge salmon, gnocchi, potato gnocchi, some parmesan on it, and on top of the gnocchi there is the truffle and some cider here, and watching my favorite YouTuber, Duma Ume. This, like, what can I ask? So tomorrow I think I'll be going to the clinic because there's something wrong with my eye. There's I don't know if you can see it, but my eye is inflamed. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I just wanted to show you my place really because, bruh, I just love making food for myself, bro. How are you doing? Today is Monday and I'm about to go to the gym. I have subscribed, as you saw, to Activate, and the thing is that this thing is quite expensive and I really want to make sure that I am using it. So the plan today is for me to go to the gym and then afterwards work and then go to my hair appointments, and then if I have the time I'll do my nails because these nails are looking horrendous. I've ordered an Uber and I hope it's going to be here in the next 2 minutes. Let's go.
I've been watching you from afar, as I can remember. You're all a real man can need, never just for me. This is love. This is more than a crush.
Right now, polished 10 toes down. Yeah. Good back at it, shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you.
Hey guys, I am back from the gym and I did some groceries. Now I'm going to cook. I want to make a homemade shawarma and I'm going to also try a new way of cooking chicken breast because chicken breast can be quite dry, and I saw that if you put it with baking soda, it's supposed to make it tender and juicy, so I hope it's going to work. So this is how it looks. I think I put like 2 tablespoons of baking soda and I'm going to wait for 5 minutes, put it in the fridge and then rinse it off and I'll come back. I hope you guys can see, but I basically did some type of salad with cream cheese, avocado, some cucumber, as well as some tomato, coriander, mayonnaise, not too much. And then now I'm going to add the chicken. The chicken is very juicy. I think I'm going to continue doing this tip. It's wrapped, but I have to hold it. This is good. Hi guys, I am done with work now and I'm going to be heading to the hair salon. Get these braids out, wash, treatment, and then a new hairstyle. And I hope I'm going to like it and I hope you guys will like it as well. Yeah, let's go!
Used to be in love, now your life fuck Cupid. Hate to be a Rex, know that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the gram, trying to figure out where you been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. No place to unknown fans. You don't need a man, got your own fans. Don't kid money, these grown men.
Hi guys, I wanted to come here to show you the hairstyle. I'm very satisfied. It's the first time ever where I go to a hair salon and I love the hairstyle. Like, it's so nice. So nice. I just love how my face looks, because sometimes whenever I do styles like this, I feel like the braid is too small and so it really does put my egg-shaped head on a blast, but I genuinely feel like it complements my trait as I have a bit like of a elongated face. What do you guys think? I really love it. And these are synthetic hair. And I decided to do synthetic hair because I didn't know how much I would love the style or not, and that's why I didn't want to invest in too much money in terms of extensions. Tell me what you guys think. Hi guys, I hope you're well. If you are seeing this vlog, it means that I was able to go to Lagos. I'm facing some challenges, visa challenges. So Nigeria has released some type of e-visa policy where people that do need a visa can come to Nigeria applying online versus going to either consulate or embassies in their respective countries. Tell me why I was not able for 2 days to go on the paying platform, and then 2 days ago I was able to go there. Tell me why I was deducted. Like, I tried to pay 3 times, I was deducted, but it didn't work. Like, I was deducted, I think, a total of 700 euros because one transaction is around $278, and hopefully I can get a refund because that's a lot of money. That was the money for my Airbnb. So it's a bit jarring, I won't lie. Now I'm about to go to do my nails. These French fries are very well seasoned. Mind you, I'm going to the gym. But bruh, I don't care. I'm going to the gym after the nails because your girl has been, what's the name again? I've been going through it because of my period. I've been, not the meanest, but I've been very, very, not emotional, but I've been through it, child. But now, I can feel that I'm getting my sanity back. So I'm going to go to the gym afterwards and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!
I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, yes. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to get.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Today's Saturday and I'm about to go to do my nails. I want to go before that to the good bakery. I've never been there. I wanted to see how it is and stuff because I've ordered a pain au chocolat from them I think earlier this week and I wanted to see how it is actually there and then do my nails and then see how the days goes. Yeah.
I got to live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other one.
What did you say?
This is mom. I like you now.
You should not do that. I don't need it in my life.
Sorry, man.